Hello and welcome to Crypto Capital. Today we'll be covering a bunch of different topics, including topics in Metaverse itself. And I actually found a very unique Microcap coin, which has been working on for years. And through Twitter, I found this project from a guy who covers Microcap projects, and just wanted to cover this topic and maybe talk about the investment opportunity we have with them. All right, so the project I'm going to be talking about is called Neos. Neos is a VR-based gaming. It's a game itself built in Metaverse. So for those of you who have ever played a game in Oculus or Oculus Quest or Rift, you guys probably experience how you can actually virtually play a game in 3D manner by wearing these glasses and having your own reality virtual world, right? So that's kind of what Neos has been working on. What's very unique and interesting about them is they actually have been working on this since 2018, and they have been building this project for years and years. And for those of you guys who do play games, for a project to get recognized or for a game to become popular, they have to have a really good graphics, and they have to create an experience for you as a user where you actually just feel like you're in real world. And that's the whole point of Metaverse is. So the reason I found about them, and I actually try to compare them how they are, is like going through YouTube, and I found dozens and dozens and dozens of videos who have like 15,000, 10,000 views on YouTube, and that made me really curious about how they are and what their graphics are like. So let's watch a small video and then we can cover this. So this is a video about something they have in Neos built as well.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Okay. So it has like a normal feature where you can like drive it around. I've been working on the mechanics of it.
They hear
at the
Aegis right now?
moment.
Yeah.
I'll add more physics tweaks and
Okay, so just a glimpse of that video. We will keep playing in the background, but you can kind of see the graphics itself is very clean and it's very higher quality, right? And what I heard and what I've seen in their atmosphere as well is Neos lets you create different tools and experiment. So it's like a social VR gaming system where you can create your own things. You can do your own activities. So I think they're very engaging. It's definitely very intriguing, and it's very, very fun to use their game as well. And what made me realize even crazy is, like, if you look on Patreon, which is one of the places where you can buy subscriptions for different things, they have over 18,086 patrons paying a monthly subscription fee for storage in the Metaverse on Neos system itself. And that's about $60,000 in revenue with almost no marketing, right? Like, I've never seen their ads. I've never seen they even had a crypto. Now let's go to the tokenomics model. They just started their ICO, I think a few years ago actually, where they are raising money in a very, very unique model where, let's go back to the ICO right here. The total supply of the token is 50 million. And after every 100,000 NCR minting is the process they're giving their token through ICO, which means you have to send Ethereum to this minting address. And once you send Ethereum to this minting address, you will receive Neos token. So after every 100,000 token gets minted, the price goes up by 1.25%, which is insane, right? So they have already minted 30 million tokens, which is more than half their supply, and the price is already at $2.68 in their ICO stage. This is insane because their price used to be at less than 10 cents right back in, I think, a few months ago. So I discovered this project around 80 cents, wasn't too confident to make a video about that then. So I waited to see the hype, saw a bunch more things, saw the community, and was willing to make this video. So the price of this token will be at $30 when the ICO is actually finished. What's even crazier is you can actually trade this coin while it's in ICO stage on Uniswap. And on Uniswap, it's already being traded right now for around $2.80. So people are willing to pay a little bit more than the minting price just because of how easy the transaction is and all that stuff. But I expect that if the community does get to it and it does start exploding and people start capturing this project, it can really go up quick. And where to the point is, if the ICO does end up getting finished, we'll be trading at about $30. That's insane. That's a 10x gain right from this price, right? Again, nothing I talk about this in this video is financial advice. This is just for entertainment purpose only. My risk tolerance is different than yours, so please do not trade or invest in anything I'm talking about just because I'm talking about it. What's even crazy is I was in their Discord and I was just following up on it. Their CEO said they have been looking into applying for different exchanges, and right now they have applied for KuCoin listing along with some other exchanges as well. So if they do end up listed on KuCoin, some of these platforms, while their ICO is running, I expect the liquidity to go insane, which can increase their minting price. And if their minting price goes up, then their trading value will go up. What I feel really comfortable is I've been doing some arbitrage on this coin, is the price doesn't really tend to go below the minting price for too long, because people are always willing to buy for a little bit higher or lower price if it does go below. So let's say if NEOS is trading for $2.50 on Uniswap, I feel there'll be a bunch of people trying to buy it just at $2.50 because the arbitrage opportunity on the coin itself. So let's look up how much money they've raised in Ethereum. They have so far raised, I think, more than this. They have so far raised about $14-15 million in just Ethereum itself, and I think once they are close to $30-40 million, they will be able to use all that funds they have raised into actually developing the project itself. And I don't think this is just a pump and dump project. I personally think they have been working on it for years, and I think they just got the hype or the liquidity needed to develop it more. And if they do end up doing what they're trying to do, I can see them being close to Sandbox, even Mana. Of course, that's not going to happen in a few weeks to months. It could take years, it could take 4 years. But I do believe that based on their project development itself, based on the community and based on the videos and the graphics they have been trying to do, if they do end up partnering and building something insane, I don't see this project will be at say the same price. And that's the reason I'm investing into this project and expecting it to go up. So that's all I have for you guys for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And if you guys did, please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bar so you guys can see my future videos. If you guys enjoyed the videos, please don't forget sharing it and click on the like button. Along with that, to end up the video, the other projects I've been talking about, I'm not forgetting about them. If I do, I will let you know. I'm still investing in all of the projects I've talked previously about, and I still think we're still in the bull market. So I think Bitcoin is still going to recover from here, and hopefully we can see all-time highs very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving if you're in the US. Either way, enjoy the rest of your day and the week. Peace. See ya. Have a good one. Bye.